Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. Sensitive, irritated skin caused by anything from environmental factors, post-treatment redness, and even awful burns from retinol use can be very hard to soothe and calm. In today's video, I have found a wonderful elixir serum from Sensitive Skin brand. It looks like this, that you can use daily to do just that. We will go through a before and after where my friend Stephanie, who has perpetually irritated skin, used the product and saw amazing results, and why the elixir worked so well for her. Let's get started. Stephanie has consistently red and irritated skin, which makes wearing makeup difficult and going without makeup nearly impossible. I gave her the Sensitive Skin brand elixir to use for 2 weeks to see how much her skin would improve. To use the product, first cleanse your skin with Calm, the Sensitive Skin cleanser, to remove dirt, protect the skin barrier, and calm redness. After the skin is clean and the pores are open, apply 3 to 4 drops of the elixir on your face and neck to rejuvenate, calm, and revitalize the skin. It feels very luxurious and gentle and quickly soaks into the skin. The elixir contains bakuchiol, which is a retinol alternative that has been shown to significantly decrease wrinkles in the surface area of the skin and hyperpigmentation, while those who use retinol reported more scaling and stinging. In addition, some people cannot handle the potentially irritating high levels of vitamin A from retinol, especially if you are pregnant or sensitive to more aggressive topical skincare ingredients and treatments. Bakuchiol is an effective and safe alternative that you can use instead of retinol with similar outcomes. The elixir does not contain fragrances, acids, or preservatives that often cause irritation, and instead uses soothing oils and active botanicals. Plus, it is specifically developed not to damage the protective skin barrier like so many brands, because they use certain penetration enhancers that initially work, but with continued use are potentially corrosive to facial skin. The elixir is a very gentle, soothing, and calming formulation, using ingredients like coenzyme Q10, an antioxidant, sea buckthorn oil for beta-carotene, omega-7 that nourishes, hydrates, and plumps, and black currant seed oil for EFAs that heal, repair, and are anti-inflammatory. After using the elixir for 2 weeks, Stephanie's redness and irritation calmed down, and not only was she able to wear the makeup, but the makeup held up beautifully and looked amazing on her skin. If you suffer from skin burned by retinol, topical treatments, or other sensitivities, I encourage you to check out Sensitive Skin brand Elixir for its wonderfully calming and soothing properties. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.